I'm looking at this toilet seat. You see how it moves a little bit? That's because these screws are loose. There's just a cap here, and I think it pops up off of there with a little screwdriver. See if I can find a screwdriver. And yeah, it'll only take me a minute to fix that. I think I can get the cap off of there. Let's see. Is it gonna pop off or not? Remember, these are spring. Okay, there. That's snapped off. There's a Phillips screw in there. I can get my Phillips screwdriver. And then there's a nut underneath. I could hold that. I just want to look at that and just see what I need to do to tighten it up. See, that one feels tight, and that one actually is tight. Looks like that's the only one moving. So I have to tighten that side up. But you know, look around on your toilet seat. If your toilet seat's loose, go ahead and fix that. Because I wanna spend a few minutes to fix this. Because here's my thought process on that. When I get all done with this toilet and I tell the people, yeah, I got your toilet fixed and everything, and they look at it, you know, if they see a loose toilet seat, oh yeah, how come that wasn't loose before? How come you didn't fix that while he was there? You know, it takes just a second to fix it. You can't turn it all the way there. There should be a nut on the back that you can tighten, you know, a thumb turn, or there might be a nut that you can get with a little crescent wrench. But just that little bit helped. Okay, how long did that take? Not very long. Now yours might be slightly different than that, but one way or another you should be able to get it with a little standard slotted screwdriver. Pry that up and tighten her down.